How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem, then you just need simply right click on your Wi-Fi, go with open network and internet settings. It will open up your settings. Now you just need simply scroll down and you need to go with the troubleshoot option. So if you find the troubleshoot, just click on troubleshoot, or you just need to go with advanced network settings and find the troubleshoot and run the troubleshoot. If that doesn't fix, you go and turn on the airplane mode and again turn it off, or just turn on the mobile hotspot and turn it off. All of these doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go with network reset. Search for network reset and then click on the search section. And here you'll find the network reset option. You just need to click on it and then reset your network. So you reset, restart your PC, and after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.